Hey, this is Alex with Louisiana Right to Life, and we have some really awesome historic news today. We just heard that the Supreme Court is taking up a possible challenge to Roe versus Wade. This is Mississippi's law that is protecting babies 15 weeks and older. And we have some wonderful babies to show you. We're going to talk all about it, and Ben's going to tell you more about the law.
Awesome news, 15-week law in Mississippi. It protects all babies in the womb 15 weeks and older. The Supreme Court has never ruled on a law like this. It could be a direct challenge to Roe v. Wade. It could end up protecting all babies in America 15 weeks and later. It could be a historic decision. The Supreme Court has taken this up. It took 4 justices to accept the case. They'll argue it in the fall, and then they'll give a decision sometime in early mid-2022. So it's a big decision, could have major implications. And you know, the abortion procedure that takes the life of the unborn baby at the 15th week in the womb is a dismemberment, terrible injustice, a dismemberment abortion that takes the baby, living baby, and dismembers that baby with forceps piece by piece until the baby dies in the womb. It's a terrible injustice in America. It has to come to an end. And this law is a chance that that could happen. The Supreme Court could overturn all or part of Roe v. Wade in this decision and protect these precious unborn children. And as it relates to Louisiana, it has a big impact for us. Because in Louisiana in 2018, we passed almost an identical law here, but we made the outcome, the enforcement of that law, dependent on this Mississippi court case. So that means that whatever happens with this case has a direct impact, because right now in Louisiana, it's legal to kill babies in the womb between the 15th and 20th week of pregnancy. This law could stop that. And I know we have some of our little fetal model babies that show anatomically the size and appearance of the unborn baby. What you got?
Yes, I have this 15-week baby, and it's a part of our model set that are twins.
I know, yeah.
And we know that at 15 weeks, they're about the size of a pear. Yeah.
Yeah, they're a cute little pair, and right, the pair of pears, right?
Yes.
Yeah, there you go. So the size of this baby is the size of a pear, and I know everyone, mothers when they're pregnant, always fruit is like the size tracker. So yeah, these little pears we're looking to protect these little pears in America through this law. The Supreme Court has a big chance of doing that through this law, and just everybody, you know, over the next, we got a long time until the Supreme Court hears the case in the fall, but we can be praying for the justices, all the pressure that's going to be on all these justices in this decision, the attorneys, everyone arguing for this case. Lift them up in prayer.
You know, the humanity of the person at 15 weeks is undeniable.
Yeah.
They can suck their thumb. You know, they're swimming around in mama's room having a great time. A lot of mothers can even feel the kicks by that point. I think I did with this pregnancy. And I think people can find out, you know, do a gender reveal over ultrasound, even though blood tests can tell that even earlier. That heart's beating like crazy. That baby is, I think, even getting to the point where they can dream, have REM sleep. It's amazing all the things that they can do. Again, it is undeniable. It is past time that these babies are protected in Louisiana and Mississippi and all of our country.
Absolutely. These babies are precious. They deserve our country's protection, and we encourage the Supreme Court to use this case to protect these babies and to overturn Roe v. Wade.
So please pay attention to what Louisiana Right to Life is doing about this case. Get involved with us. We'll be sending alerts, you know, we'll be updating you as it goes along. Let's all pray together and keep working to defend human life.
Thank y'all.